1, 2, 3. Good afternoon, Big Bobcats.
Today is Wednesday, January 15th, and we are the Broadcast Club, so we decided to present the news to you.
Yes. So what is the first news of Wednesday? Hand it over to the Z-Man.
Website Wednesday on Wednesday.
And of course, all of you have added things to your website today, so good job. What's next?
The final boys hoops game is at Larson today at 3:45 p.m. Be sure to be there.
Go Baker Bobcats. Hopefully we can beat the crosstown rival, Larson Rebels. One thing we know for sure is they will not have as good a halftime show as we have at our games. As you see, our last game, Marcel Bacall was our special halftime dance artist. What's next?
I am girls volleyball is the last practice this morning at 7 a.m.
Oh, so that already happened. How was it? Aren't you on the team there, Katie?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not?
It was great. We loved it. We played a bunch of games and it was perfect.
All right, so all the sixth graders are ready for volleyball next year. Pass it on. What's next? Thursday. Pass it behind you.
So on Thursday we have our pep assembly.
Whoa! I'm flipping. Oh, yes. I'm so excited about the pep assembly. I just did a flip. Okay, so pep assembly tomorrow, 7-period day. So be excited for that. Right now, the spirit standings are first place 8th grade, second place 6th grade, and third place 7th grade. Are any of you guys in 8th grade? Any of you in 6th grade?
Yeah. Ooh.
Any of you in 7th grade? Oh, you guys are in last place, but that's okay. All right, what's next? What else is happening Thursday?
Craft and folk art club.
That's right. The meeting is after school.
at 3 o'clock in the media center.
Yes, in the media center with Miss Locke. Thank you, Jordan. And what about Friday?
On Friday, there's the volleyball open gym at 7:15 to 7:50 a.m. and the school-wide spelling bee for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Yes. Oh, wow. I am so excited that I am floating. Are you in it, Adria?
Yeah, I'm in it.
Oh, good luck. I hope you're going to do well. Anybody else here in the spelling bee? Down in? Oh, yes, Z-Man? Okay, good. And what about next week? Hand it over to Drew. Next week is the last week of the marking period, last week of the semester. What else?
So next week there is no school on Monday because it is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and it's also the last week of the semester, like Bob said.
And then hand it over to Z. What is happening Saturday with our musicians?
Solo ensemble on a festival at Rochester High School Saturday, January 18th.
Yes, and what instrument? Are you doing a solo or an ensemble?
No.
No. Okay, but you're in the band?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you play?
Percussion.
Okay, awesome. And last but not least, the final cheer competition is January 25th at Lamphere High School. So go cheer team. Is that it? Okay, so we will end, since it is Website Wednesday, we're going to end with another website tutorial video. And yes, so have a terrific... Wait, today's Wednesday. So have a wonderful Wednesday, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks, Broadcast Club, for joining us today. You were so great that I'm jumping up and down. Whoa. I'm so dizzy. I'm too old for this. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Everyone, and welcome to the Top Hat Cat Productions. I'm Sanika. And I'm Ada. And this is how to make a website post. All students have a website, and it's super easy to post. As you can see, I already logged into my website. All you have to do is click this plus new, and then you click post. And then you make the post according to your teacher's instructions.
When you make a website post about an assignment, you should always make a quality reflection. How to make a quality reflection would be 1, adding a creative title that is interesting to your readers. The next step is to add at least 1 or 2 visuals using the image button, or to add multiple images, use the gallery button. Next, you need at least 5 sentences for a quality reflection, including the assignment and the process, what you learned from the assignment, a specific detail of your assignment, like your partner's grade or a unique idea, and your biggest challenge, and your opinion on the assignment.
This is an example of a quality reflection. First we have the title, then we also have a visual. This is an example of what a gallery would look like. This is yet another example of quality sentences explaining the assignment, the process, challenges, unique items, and opinions.
Making website posts is very important. It can help you reflect on what you actually learned and store or remember all the cool things you did in middle school. It can also prepare you for the final 8th grade interview.
Here's how you add categories. First, you click the settings button up here, as shown in the image. Next, you click post and then you find your categories. You look for your grade level, and then you look for skills like critical thinking, problem solving, communication, leadership. Third and lastly, you find a subject or a course, like if you're doing a math post, you do math, or if you're doing an art post, you do art. After you've added all your categories and your titles and your words, then you click this button right here. It's super easy to publish. All you have to do is check these if you want to, and then publish. And there you have it. You have a post.
Thanks for watching the Top Hat Cat Productions.
Happy posting!